Sir, going back to the bringing up of the arbitration victory, Foreign Affairs Secretary Albert Del Rosario, in an interview in ANC, said that the Philippines is not without options when it comes to the implementation of the arbitration win because we have, for example, the United Nations General Assembly. He said that the Philippines can bring the case to the General Assembly and seek a solution.
Hindi, sasabi ko lang nga yun, di ba? Yun din ako ang opinion ni Del Rosario.
That's what I'm telling you, sir. That's what he said. So, what is the palace? What does the palace think about that
Bago mo
kind
pa nga
of option?
sinabi ko na nga yun, isa sa mga pwedeng gawin natin. Yung, di ba? Hindi ka naman nakikinig.
Ay, so
Sabi
so
ko, merong
is,
mga issues ng ibang bansa na dinadala sa General Assembly and they take unified action.
are we going to take it to the UN General
Isa sa
Assembly?
mga
That's the
option yun.
question, sir.
I'm not the president. I'm just his spokesman. It's for the president's decision.
Are you
I'm just
seeing that
giving
as
you
a
my
possibility,
thoughts
sir?
on it na pwedeng gawin yan.
So, are you seeing that as a possibility, sir, in the next few years
Everything
before
is
the end of
possible.
the administration?
Kung you're talking of possibilities, maraming posible. But whether making it effective or not is another story.
Okay, sir. Sir, he also said another thing. Del Rosario said, I just want to ask your reaction on this. He said that sometimes it is difficult for him to tell whether this administration is speaking for the Philippines or if it's speaking for China.
Siguro dahil may edad na siya. Kumisan, baka hindi niya naiintindihan. Hindi kasi sila kumisan kasi, like for instance, yung mga statement ko rito, nababago ang ibig sabihin. Tapos sabihin, nag-backtrack ako. Actually, I'm clarifying, mali intindi mo. Yeah, ganun eh. At saka, opposition siya. He's with the opposition. And he will be towing the line of the opposition. Yun na nga sinasabi ko, kung hindi mo pinaalis yung barko noon at nagagalit si Presidente Pinoy as narrated by this Senator Trillanes, o di sana hindi sila nagtagumpay doon kasi merong nagbabantay din doon. Siyempre, pag meron kang Navy vessel doon, armado rin, kahit pa marami kayo, kung ayaw mo rin ng gera, neutralize ka din. But by removing yourself there, talo ka na kagad, wala na.
Sir, are you casting doubt on the motivation of former Secretary Del Rosario when he speaks? Casting doubt when he speaks about issues about China. Are you saying that his mga statements on China and
what I'm saying is,
are politically
lahat
motivated?
ng problema ngayon, kaya nandito because of you. Pinalala nyo, yung problema kasi, maliit na problema, lumaki na lumaki dahil sa inyo, wala kayong ginawa. Kung may ginawa man kayo, nandyan na. Kasi pwede mo namang bago mangyari yung palakihin yung maliit pa lang pwede mong pahintuin ngayon, pinalalabas nyo. Kung baga, sabi nga nung Karen kanina, kung baga, dumating administrasyon, nandiyan na yung problema. Tapos sinisisi nyo. Yan ang linya niya kanina. Tama naman siya doon. Mas mabuti pa, sa halip na criticize, hindi mag-suggest kayo na kung magandang gawin. Papakinggan pa kayo. Hindi yung sisisihin nyo kami, kayo may kasalanan.
Like his suggestion, sir, to bring it to the UN General Assembly.
Pwede yun. That's one thing. We will ask Secretary Locsin what are his thoughts on this.
Okay, thank you, MPC. Thank you, Secretary Panelo. Back to our main studio sa Radyo Pilipinas.